welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayley. What is up? Hello. So today we are going to be creating this Mauve glam. If you guys have not yet subscribed or turn the notification bell on or comment, do all of that down below, I would really appreciate it. Other than that, let's get into this video. Alright guys, I've already done my brows, so I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in C1. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contour in Dulce de Leche, and I'm just going to take the banana shade. The first thing that we're going to start out with is our Urban Decay Born to Run This Way palette. This palette is absolutely stunning, and we're going to go into this shade Riff right here. This is that nice terracotta brown. So I'm just going to take that on my SL Miss Glam brush. I use this blending brush almost absolutely every single day. So the next shade that I'm going to go in with is Baja, and it is this absolutely stunning burnt orange shade. We're going to go in with our Morphe M330 brush. It's more of a small tapered brush, but we're going to take it and we're going to blend right on top of our transition shade. We're going to go into this beautiful maroon color called Hell Ride. We're going to go in with this hot pink right here. So now that we've finished up our eyes, we're going to apply our foundation. So I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, and this is in Light Sand. I am going to add a pump of my Fenty Beauty, this is the Pro Filt'r foundation, 170. And I am going to go back in with that Revlon concealer. To go back in with the M441, and we're going to go in, take this brush and blend out the edges. So now that we have our lashes on, and we're going to do our lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with Baja and Hell Rider. So going to take this pencil brush from MAC 219, and I'm going to go in with that hot pink from the NYX palette. And I'm going to wet it with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. We're going to be going in with our NYX Glitter Brilliance, and this is in Gold, or the shade 05. The glitter on our eyes, we're going to be finishing our face, and I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild contour kit. We are going to go in with highlighter, and we are going to go in with the In-Nude-Endo by Colourpop, as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to mix some colors together. So from the Anastasia one, I'm going to go in with White Sand, and that is this middle shade right there. I'm going to go in with Glad You Came by Colourpop, and that's this lighter shade right there. Take this really small definer brush. This is the number 6 from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Snow, and this is the white shade here in the Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to coat my little brush, and I'm going to put that directly under the brow bone. And now we're going to go in with a lippy. I'm going to go in with Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star. I'm going to use this NYX lip pencil lip liner in the shade Nude Pink. So last but not least, we're going to go in with Lower Lash Mascara. Alrighty guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was so much fun creating and just kind of finally sitting back down with you and making content that hopefully you guys love. If you guys have not already, like, comment, or subscribe, do one of those. I don't care which one. But I'd love to know who's watching and what you think about this look. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week.